Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to delete your Cash App history. So your Cash App history are transactions that you have done before. So this account is a clean slate, but if you go on the time on the bottom right, you should be able to see all of the different transactions that you have. Unfortunately, you cannot directly delete every single transactions. However, there is a turnaround on this, and that would be to delete your Cash App account and then generate a new one. Do bear in mind that if you have any cash balances or any linked cryptocurrency, then you need to make sure that you have transferred all of that elsewhere. So again, deleting this transaction is up to you, but I'm going to show you how to completely erase your account. So what we're going to do is we go on the top right, we go down and then we look for support. Now go into something else and then account settings. Now let's click on close your Cash App account. This will then disable your account, close everything out, delete all of your transactions, and you would have deleted your Cash App history. Once you're happy with that, just click on confirm and then just generate a new account. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.